Take a ride in the 2025 Wrangler 4xe. The Jeep Wrangler 4xe provides unlimited flexibility and, most importantly, fun. It also offers the efficiency of a hybrid vehicle, but still allows the full capacity you've come to expect from a Wrangler. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, heated mirrors, convertible hardtop, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.